Moving sucks. Here are 10 tips to help you prepare for moving day. Hi, I'm Caroline Gau in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office. Our family is downsizing this week, and Derek has been our project manager leading up to the truck rolling down the street to take all of our stuff. So I've asked him to help me tell you what are some good strategies to get ready for that big day.
Number one, 2 to 4 weeks out from moving day, you're going to want to collect all the stuff that you don't use very often around your house and start packing, because you'll find that if you wait to the last minute, you're going to be stressed out. So the more you can do over a long period of time, the easier it'll go for you. Number two, make a station with all your moving stuff in a couple of areas around the house so that you don't lose track of where your tape is, where your markers are, and where all your boxing supplies are.
Movers charge by the hour, so make their job easier for them by moving things out of the attic, out of the sheds, onto the patio, and into the foyer for easy exit.
Number four, purge items as you go. There's no point in moving items that you're not going to use anymore. Also, in Northbrook, you can dispose of 2 bulk items every week as part of your garbage service, so take advantage of that.
Sell stuff for free or little money on Facebook Marketplace to get rid of things and save money on moving costs.
Number 6, when you have items that you need to disassemble, label them so that you know what goes together, and also put where it's going to go to. Number 7, label your boxes. Make sure you're putting where it's going to go in the new house. If you have a floor plan, give that to your mover so that they know exactly where the boxes will go.
Keep blankets, tablecloths, and towels out to pack the fragile items. On moving day, the movers will set up wardrobe boxes for you so you can take your hanging items and just transfer them right over to the pole, and then you can throw your bedding and pillows and shoes down in the bottom of the wardrobe boxes.
Tip your movers.
And treat your family members who have pitched in to help you. You've got this. Congratulations.